Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make allergy fighting juice that will help to boost your immune system. It is great for seasonal allergy and it is anti-inflammatory juice. So stay tuned. So to make this anti-inflammatory juice, you will need the following ingredients. So we are going to start by peeling all the fruits and vegetables. All the fruits and vegetables that I'm using for this juice are high in vitamin C and beta-carotene. So the beta-carotene will be converted to vitamin A, which is very good for building our immune system. It will also help to reduce inflammation. So when I'm done cutting all the fruits and vegetables, I will set aside. Into the blender, I'll be adding water. Please don't add too much water to avoid diluting the flavor and the taste of this juice. When I'm done adding water, I'll be adding all the fruits and vegetables into the blender. Cover the blender and blend until smooth. You can also use a juicer to extract the juice. So when I'm done blending, I'll be using a fine sieve to sieve to get the juice. So when I'm done sieving, I'm going to store this in a jar and put in the fridge. This anti-inflammatory juice contains a lot of vitamin C, which will help our body to fight against virus that causes cold, flu, and allergy, and it will help to boost your immune system. You can take 2 cups of this drink a day to boost your immunity. And I hope you try this, and please don't forget to give me feedback.